So interestingly enough, it's not every single day that Apple makes a service repair program, but it is almost every single day that whenever they make a service repair program, it stays there for many, many years. But we typically don't know how long a service repair program will end up lasting. And for those of you who don't know, a service repair program is essentially those specific, areas where Apple will go ahead and allow you to go ahead and send your iPhone, AirPod, whatever, to them. They will fix it for free if it has that and if it exhibits that issue, and you will receive that device in better condition than when you sent it back. And this is a very important thing. Now, the specific one we're taking a look at today is the AirPod's Pro Service Repair Program. Now, essentially what happened in 2020 in October of that year, so about 2.5 years ago, Apple determined that a small percentage of AirPods Pros may experience sound issues. Now, these AirPod Pros are not the new AirPod Pros 2s. They are the first generation AirPod Pros that came out in 2019. Now, they go on to say that affected AirPod Pros may actually exhibit one or more of the following behaviors. There could be crackling or static sounds that increase in loud environments. If you're exercising while talking on the phone, it can happen as well. Active noise cancellation not working, and essentially some other issues here and there. This happens because whenever Apple releases a new product or a new service, things and issues can happen, and it looks like this was a hardware defect that Apple actually had to go ahead and fix. So essentially, if your set of AirPods, let's say you remember back in October 2020, you actually did go ahead and buy these, or if you have, proof that you ended up buying or whatever the case is, which you can actually do. And I honestly think it may be, how would they even know that? You may be even able to send in your AirPods anyway, if it does have those issues, and see if, you were having those issues. Again, this is before they were made in October 2020. So if you bought them last year or the year before, Apple has already fixed this issue. But if you haven't, and if you did buy them before October 2020, which I did in one case, well, what you could do is you can go ahead and make your way over to this website, which is linked in the description. You can go here and you can go ahead and find and contact Apple support, which is all the way at the bottom of the page. So you can go and contact Apple. And from there, what they'll basically say is, hey, can you give us your serial number? They'll send you a shipping label. And from there, you just package up your box, and that's it. You can then send your specific set of AirPods back to them, and that's really all you're going to have to do. It's as really as that. It's not the hardest thing in the world to ship a package like that. It will take probably a few days, so I would say if you send it on Monday, you may receive it back the next Monday, maybe Friday at the earliest, but usually depending on how long it takes to ship back, you will probably get them within a week and a half to when you ship them out. So that's just a quick little FYI. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.